Hello, this is a demo about how you can register yourself as a partner school with us. Please come to the partners.schools.in page. Here, pick partner login and choose to register. Enter a valid email address. And a registered phone number. And a password. Reconfirm your password. Check this small button here that makes sure that you've read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And now select the register button. That's it, you're registered. Now, when you go here, you will see that your name, your registered email number is reflected. Choose that, and you will see school profile and hobby classes. If you are a school, choose the school profile, and it will bring you here. So this is Add School. This is where you will have all the basic information about your school that needs to be entered. The school type, if it is a day school, online school, your school code if you have it, information about your school, the name, your logo, your cover page picture, the location of your school, address, PIN code. These are all the basic information that needs to be filled up. When you fill this up, please remember to hit the update button. Additional informations are in the next page. We recommend that you update as much information as you can. The schools that have updated 100% are enjoying more admissions and more visibility. So we recommend that you completely fill out this form. Even your social handles can be updated here. Please remember to hit update at the end of each page. And if you are a hobby class, right under your name, you will see the hobby classes. Click on that. Add hobby classes. Please choose that. That will bring you to this page. Here, again, it's very easy. You can go on, add your institute name, about your institution, some text about it, and relevant information about at what age you accept your students and to what age, and the medium of instruction, the mode of training, is it online, offline, or both. And again, please press the button update after each page. Again, your facilities that you provide, all the additional information about your hobby classes, your YouTube links, key differentiators that sets you apart from your competition. You can add all these details, the facilities page. After you're updated, after you pick, if you're teaching drums, you can pick drums. If your class is about oil painting, please pick oil painting. If it's about an outdoor game like badminton, make that choice. And at the end of the page, you have a lot of options to put in, upload a lot of photographs and videos. Please do that, and then update button. And once you've filled your all your profile, you will come to, if you come to your dashboard, you will see how much the percentage of your profile completion and all the relevant, how many people would have asked for you, all the information relevant to you, you will find it on your dashboard. When you want to log out, go to and choose log out. That will be it. Thank you.